I'm Risha here and welcome back to my YouTube channel Risha Kazi Vlogs. In our today's vlog, I'm going to tell you guys about persuasive writing, so let's start. So after watching this video, you guys will be able to write a perfect persuasive essay, and you will learn definition, use, features, format and structure of persuasive writing, and how to draft a persuasive essay as well, and I will give you tips and techniques and a sample as well. So, persuasive writing intends to convince readers to believe in an idea or opinion, to do an action. Many writings such as criticisms, reviews, reaction papers, editorial proposals, advertisement and brochures use different way of persuasion to influence readers. Persuasive writing is used to convince or persuade a reader that the writer's opinion of a topic is or cause is correct. While writing persuasive essay, the writer needs to be well versed in a word selection, framing logical arguments, and creating a strong, cohesive closing argument. Features of persuasive writing: rhetorical questions, emotive language, technical language, make opinions sound like facts, use present tense, dare the reader to disagree, appropriate connectives, powerful verbs and adjectives. Format and structure of persuasive essay. So the structure of persuasive essay is that it is divided into three parts. The first is introduction, the second is body, and the third is conclusion. Basically, the body is divided into three paragraphs in which you have to give three reasons and examples that should be relevant and specific. And in introduction, you mostly write a thesis statement and introductory statement so that the reader could understand clearly about the topic. You discuss about the topic, and in body you give examples that they can be real life examples as well. And in conclusion, you give suggestions or you pledge the reader. So, how to draft the persuasive essay? The introductory paragraph should have a strong hook that grabs the reader's attention. Open with an unusual fact or statistic, a question or quotation, or an emphatic statement. The thesis statement should leave no doubts about the writer's position. Each body paragraph should cover a separate point, and the sentences of each paragraph should offer strong evidence in the form of facts, statistics, quotes from experts, and real-life examples. Consider various ways to make the argument, including using an analogy, drawing, comparison, or illustrating. The concluding paragraph should summarize the most important evidence and encourage the reader to adopt the position or take action. The closing sentence can be a dramatic plea or a prediction that implies urgent action is needed, a question that provokes readers to think seriously about the issue, or a recommendation that gives readers specific ideas on what they can do. So in concluding paragraph, you can either give suggestions, either you can give recommendation, either you can give prediction, anything. So here I will give you some useful tips for persuasive writing. You should pick a topic you are passionate about, know your audience, hook the reader's attention, research both sides, be empathetic, ask rhetorical question, emphasize your point and repeat yourself. So here I have a sample of persuasive essay. So I will tell you that how can you write a perfect sample persuasive essay. So in persuasive essay, the first the writer should give a title in form of question, or you can give title. It's not necessary to give in form of question, but in this writing the writer gave the title in form of question. So the writer sets up the issue in first paragraph and briefly states the different opinions of the issue on the issue of the topic. So the first paragraph should be brief, it should not be long. In body, the writer explains the opposing viewpoint In the second paragraph of body, the writer explains his or her opinion, and the writer also provides facts to support his or her opinion. And in conclusion, the writer provides a suggestion about how to solve the problem, and the writer ends his or her paper with an appeal to the reader to help solve the problem. Okay. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, don't forget to give my video a great thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share my video. Bye bye.